Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I fully blame T-Mobile for me buying this in the S10, but it's okay. So I got the wireless charger duo by Samsung. We gotta check it out. So I'm in the same place. I'm just over by literally 2 chairs over here. So like, that's how the sales going on right now. Pretty nice, right? But yeah, wireless charger duo. I got the T-Mobile back here. I don't think I ever bought anything from T-Mobile. I doubt it. Just online or Amazon or Best Buy or something like that. But here's what we got. So wireless charger duo, Samsung, so you could actually charge 2 phones at the same time, or a phone and a watch, or the Galaxy Buds in a phone, or however you want to do it. I do wish it was kind of like AirPower, where you could actually charge 3 things at once. Maybe you can on here, I'm not sure. But I don't think they really have plans of having Galaxy Buds wirelessly charged, so I guess that's why we just got 2 things. But yeah, wireless charger duo, Samsung logo here. We got the actual wireless charger here. Let's look on the right. It says fast charge with a compatible Samsung phone, charge 2 phones, charge a phone and a Samsung watch or the Galaxy Buds. And you could charge any other phone that has wireless charging, like an iPhone or some kind of LG or something like that. And compatible with Qi certified products. On the back, we got a whole bunch of info that don't really matter, but you can pause it for yourself if you want to read it. And we got here how we can actually charge it. So we got the 2 phones and the phone and the watch. And it was $119, so it was actually like, I don't know, 80 bucks or something like that on Amazon, but I just got it anyway, so thanks T-Mobile, I guess you can have more of my money. But yeah, let's crack into this. So I don't really got an unboxing knife, but we're gonna have to figure this out. Alright, I got into it, so I literally just used my hotel room's key card, so jokes. But yeah, let's open this thing here. So there we go. Whoa, I'm not doing this unboxing right. There we go. So let's turn this around. We got wireless charger duo here, and we got the actual charger here. It's nice. So what do we got in the rest of the box? We got the quick start guide. Nobody's gonna read. Actually, there we go, that's better. And then here we got our charger here, so it is a fast charger, obviously. It's a fast charging wireless charger, so cool that they include that. It's kind of expensive. And yeah, that's it. So we have a fatter than usual fast wireless charger here, so it's interesting. I mean, I understand, like, it's a whole base here. You charge your phone, your watch with it, but still. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this up over here by the table, and I could just show you how it works. Alright, so I got it all set up, USB Type-C in the back, so that's dope. But pretty much all you gotta do is just put your phone on here, and it can charge like that. And wait for it. There we go, so now it's charging. And I got my Gear S3 right here on my wrist, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put that on there. And just wait for it. Hold on. There we go. So now it's charging. And I don't think it worked with the Gear S2. That's the problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that real quick. So I did this at the store. It charged for a little bit, but then it just stopped. So that was weird. CC is blinking right there. So yeah, I guess it don't work with the Gear S2. But I could put this Note 5 on here and it'll wireless charge there. So just wait for it. And there we go. And there we go. So now the phone's wireless charging. So we got 2 phones here, or you can use the watch or the Galaxy Buds. So let's say these are the Galaxy Buds here, which are not obviously, but it was just wireless charge right there. But yeah, yo, that was pretty much the wireless charger duo here. So it looked like a dope charger here just to have by your nightstand or whatever you have next to your bed. So I'm liking it so far. But yeah, yo, that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace out.